I'm into the IT industry for more than 26 years. My whole job profile is about technical consulting. Primarily worked across multiple tech domain, including generative AI, machine learning, data analytics. I'm very passionate about teaching. That's one of the reasons I'm starting this training program. I'm conducting multiple complementary sessions, which are more of an introduction to my training program to give you a glimpse of my teaching style. The very first session I conducted on 17th January, and there are two more sessions which I am planning on 24th and 25th of January. The session will start from 10:30 a.m. This would be YouTube live video streaming. This would be a Google Meet as well. You fill up your registration detail into the Google form. You can either access the URL which I have given here, which is in the green color, or you can scan the QR code which you can see here. Subscribe to my channel, enable the bell notification, see some of the glimpses of the session which was held on 17th. Generative AI में सबसे जो बढ़िया चीज है वो ये है कि it doesn't require you to be a data scientist. Models are already trained. ये trained models हैं. In the next 1 year, very few limited use case would be implemented using artificial intelligence or machine learning. And जो data scientist है, they would be working in very specific and niche area. जो बहुत ही niche area है जहाँ की जो models है वो लोग pre-trained नहीं है. I can give you an example. So one of the home appliance organization, they asked us, can we have a large language model that can generate the IC diagram? उनके जो chipsets जो वो अपने smart ACs में smart washing machine सब में लगाते हैं. They were saying that it takes a lot of time for us to design those circuit diagrams. Now, if I give you the requirement through the prompt, can the LLM generate it? At that point of time, the answer was no, that no, we can't generate it. Now, you'd ask me, reason kya? What is the reason? Why we are saying that the LLM, which are trained in so much of data, why can't they generate these IC diagrams? The reason is, these IC diagrams are very much proprietary of the organization. They are not available publicly. And that's the reason these LLMs are not capable of generating the IC diagram.